All right, what do we know about rhombuses? We know that if it's a rhombus, the diagonals are perpendicular. We also know that the diagonals will bisect the rhombus's angles. All right, so if the measure of angle WVY is 4b plus 10, let's identify this angle in the picture. From the W to the V to the Y. From the W to the V to the Y. Well, that angle is this rotation, and it's 4b plus 10. And I don't know how we're going to find that. So let's look at the other piece of information, the measure of angle XZW. From the X to the Z to the W. Aha. Rhombuses have diagonals that are perpendicular. Therefore, that must be a 90-degree angle. So 10b plus 5 must be 90. So we'll solve for b. So 10b is 95. Dividing both sides by 10, b is 9.5. How does that help us? Because now we can find out what the measure of this angle is. It's 4b plus 10. And that, my friends, is 48 degrees. So this angle right here is 48 degrees, which means so is this one because opposite angles are congruent. Well, what are we looking for? Which angles are the ones that they're asking for here? Angle VWX is this one, from the V to the W to the X. So that angle is 180 minus 48, which is 132 degrees. And we have now found one of the things they asked for, 132 degrees. All right, what's the other thing that they asked for, this angle? Well, angle WYX is this angle here. So trying to find the measure of this rotation. How will we do that? Well, we know opposite angles are congruent. So this angle, which is 132 degrees, and this angle is also 132 degree angle. And then, since it's a rhombus, the diagonals bisect each other. So if this entire thing is 132, then the angle in question is 132 divided by 2. Or in other words, the measure of angle WYX is 66 degrees. And that's how we do number 15, folks. I hope that helped.